Hey y'all, welcome back to Restless Chipotle Kitchen. Today, we're gonna make a really easy homemade cranberry sauce, but not just any cranberry sauce. We're gonna make cranberry and jalapeño sauce. It's a little spicy, a little sweet, a little tangy, and a lot delicious. Once our peppers are all chopped up, we're going to add 1 cup of orange juice, between 3/4 and 1 1/4 cups of sugar, depending on how sweet that you like it. I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of sugar here. And then if you had, if you were going to use orange rind, you would grate it in right now. I ate the last orange last night, so we will not be having any orange rind in our cranberry sauce. And you want to add your chopped jalapenos right now. What's going to happen is we're going to bring this to a simmer, and that's going to soften the jalapenos up and add the flavor to the orange juice before we put the cranberries in. Don't forget to whisk it to get your sugar good and mixed up. So I'm going to take this to the stove, bring it to a simmer, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, we're going to turn on the heat and bring this to a simmer. And stir it every once in a while just to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. None of the sugar sticks to the bottom. Once it reaches a simmer and it almost starts to boil, you go ahead and put your cranberries in there. And give it a little stir. Now what you're going to do is you're going to turn the heat down so it just stays simmering. And we're going to simmer these cranberries for about 20 minutes. And as they're simmering, they're going to pop open. And that's what makes your cranberry sauce. Okay, once it's simmered for 15 to 20 minutes and most of the cranberries have popped open, you can, whatever's left, you can kind of push them against the sides to mash them if you want less texture. The other thing that you can do if you want less texture in your cranberry sauce is you can put this through a food mill and push it through and get out like the skins and the bigger pieces too. But most people just leave it like it is and enjoy the texture. The longer you cook this, the thicker it's going to be. And as it sits in the refrigerator, it's going to thicken up even more. So this is about the texture that you want when you take it off the heat, unless you like a very, very thick, solid cranberry sauce. Once you take the cranberry sauce off the heat, just pour it into a heat-proof container that you can cover. While it's hot, it is going to be really kind of drippy, but I promise you a couple of hours in the refrigerator and this is going to firm right up. You're going to let this come to room temperature and then cover it and put it in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours before you serve it. After it's been chilled for a couple of hours, you get a thick, rich cranberry sauce that's just beautiful. And really, that's all there is to it. I love using my mom's old dishes, the ones that I grew up on. I think they were her mother's. It's so fun to have traditions at Thanksgiving and Christmas, whatever holidays you celebrate. This cranberry sauce is beautiful. It's a beautiful color. It tastes amazing. And this is about how thick it gets after it's been refrigerated for a couple of hours, okay? One thing that you want to watch out for is while the cranberries are simmering, they pop open and the juice will pop up. So be cautious if you look over the pan, or if you're standing too close to the pan, you can get little pops of hot juice that burn, okay? Okay, that's it for today, y'all. I hope you try this sauce. I hope you love it. and I hope you come back next week, okay? I love y'all, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.